So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you're new, allow me to say welcome, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have Boxycharm. Now, guys, I thought for sure I was going to have November 31st. But how does the old song go? 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest of 31, and that's all I know. But anyway, this is for the month of November. I do apologize, but it's here. It's been here. Yes, I've had it. So, if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm, and my add-ons aren't here yet, but they're coming, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay, yes guys, so welcome back. If you're returning, and again, welcome. My name is Stephanie. For those who don't know, I am what they call the host around here, and all that really means, guys, is that I'm the one who goes over the products when we do unboxings. Perhaps we'll do a look or try the products when there's new releases, new drops, new launches, etc. I love to deal with indie brands as well as Main Street Market. This is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty for the mind, the body, and the soul. And by that, I just mean that, you know, if I can make you laugh or smile or just be in a better mood after watching one of my videos, then I've done what I came to do. I like to do that through makeup. The lighter side of makeup. You know, I'm not afraid to laugh at myself if I make a mistake, or just being my silly self. I always say I'm a little bit crazy and a whole lot of nuts, but in the best way possible. And all that means is that, you know, what you see is what you get, guys. This is real life on this channel. Many things can go wrong, and, you know, a lot of times you'll get to see that. So happy about that. I do not like the S word. That is YouTube's term. Please, what I say is hit that button and become part of the family, because I would love to have you. You can be yourself. You're not judged. You do unboxing. I have a freebie series where I teach you how to get full-size products at no cost. Please take a look at that playlist and you will see what I'm talking about. And I teach you all my tips and tricks. I've been doing it for 5 years, and I have accumulated a lot of really nice things as well. Turn your bell on, please. I do hidden giveaways. I don't always announce them in the thumbnail. And not only that, I do announce the winners that way. So I don't like go over to your comment and say, hey, you won. No. What I do is I will do a video, whatever kind of video it is. And somewhere in there, I will say, hey, the random comment picker has spoken, and this is the winner to whatever giveaway we are talking about. It will be announced in the thumbnail. Winner picked. You're going to want to be notified that the videos are uploading. Now, I am not uploading on my normal schedule. For those of you who don't know, I have a bum shoulder that I need surgery on, and that is coming very soon, which is why I am a little crooked here, as you can see. But that is why a lot of these videos you see will be pre-recorded, okay? And that is so that I have content throughout my recovery, all right? I would appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up. If you like Boxycharm, or if you just want to see me make silly of myself, because this is a place where you can build self-esteem and be comfortable in your own skin. Not everybody's perfect, and that is such a wonderful thing, I think, anyway. So Boxycharm, I have 3 subscriptions. That's right. This one is the $25 one. This is the base box. They have the premium, which is, I believe, oh my gosh, what did it go up to? It was 35. I think it went up to 39, and then the Luxe was 55. That went up to 59. Yeah, no, not getting that. Nope. Your girl can't afford that, especially not for Boxycharm. How's everybody doing? It's coming on Christmas. It's December 1st. I seriously thought, guys, it was the 31st. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get it up in November. I'm gonna be good. Yeah, right. Anyway, remember I said I had a new subscription and I never got it up. Now I have 4 boxes of that new subscription, because it has been 4 months since I found it. And you will see each and every month of it, even the back months. Because it doesn't really matter, because everybody gets something different. And I love it. Okay, just saying. Boxycharm. Here we go. So invite only, I guess, is the thing-majig. There it is. Okay. We do have the paper. There, we don't need that. Okay, now, what is this? First product I see. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is really heavy. This is Milk Dew? Who's this from? Wow, is that a funny face? Oh my God, I'm making funny faces in the camera. No. This is from Gloasis. This is the Mildew pH Bound Moisture Milk Toner. Okay, and it's very heavy. I don't know, milk toner. That sounds like it's going to be sticky. I'm just saying, like, you know, off the top of my head. It probably isn't. Let me know down below. Does it leave your skin tight or what? Does it leave it sticky? This seems like it would leave it sticky, but okay. Let me read about it. It says, give thirsty skin a drink of milk dew. Okay, so that sounds kind of hydrating-ish. This toner meets moisturizer. All right, cool. Features a blend of apricot kernel and soybean. Okay, I gotta smell it. Oh, it has a safety seal. Safety seal, right? Yeah, it's a safety seal. Abby. Hi, Abby. Sometimes she watches my videos. I love her. I think she's awesome. Yeah, so it just has, you know, soybean extract. And I stopped right in the middle of the ingredients to smell it. And Sika or Sisa extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. It's perfect energy boost needed to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. That is me, with pH balancing formula. This vegan toner improves the skin's texture and tone. Okay, helps remove any last traces of dirt or excess oil. And see, I don't know about that. That makes me crazy when they say it takes out the oil, but it gives you moisture. Or maybe it's just two different things. I'm thinking oil equals moisture. I don't know, but okay. $34. It's a new brand to Boxy. Okay, it says it right there on the paper. And then we have, oh my gosh. I see something that I gave out in a giveaway, I sent it in a giveaway box. Okay. So now I got it back. Go figure. All right. This is Urban Decay. No, not Urban Decay. Sorry. Trust Fund Beauty. Where am I getting Urban Decay? Kind of looks like it, right? Doesn't it? Trust Fund Beauty. Better than therapy lip oil. Okay, all right. I love me some lip oil. It says, oh, the Leaping Bunny certified, cruelty-free, 10 free, non-toxic, 100%. It's free of 10 things that we don't want. And it's 100% vegan and gluten-free. Okay, so is that one of the 10? Gluten-free, see? It's going to be whatever, something free, this free, that free. Is that one of the 10? And now there's only 9 left. These are things I think of when my phone is charging and I have no television and, you know, power outage. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. I wonder if it's goopy. I don't want to open it. I'm very, very picky. Oh, it looks very thick. Oh, it looks very thick. But it's a lip oil. Let's read, Stephanie. Better than therapy lip oil. Better than lip. Okay, so it is a lip oil, but it's better than. Okay. It's rough out there, baby. It's cold. Never mind. You think I'm already getting pain meds, right? No. Motrin. It's rough out there, but lips don't need to be. Take a minute for some sexy self-care with better than therapy lip oil infused with therapeutic vitamin E to give your pout some TLC. Are they rhyming? It's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. Use alone or as a perfect topper for lipsticks and lip liner when you want an ultra juicy look. It's $18. Does look like Urban Decay packaging. Yeah, it does. At first glance, I'm sorry, it just reminds me of Urban Decay. So there's the second item. How long is it taking me to get through 5 products, Stephanie? Okay, so what's this? Oh, yes. Well, I just swapped somebody for the goat milk moisturizer. So, yeah. Did I buy this? I better not have bought this. See, I didn't open the box. And bad idea to go shopping in the pop-up unless you open your box. Just saying. Okay, goat milk moisturizing cleanser. I'm down for that. Okay. I already do have a goat milk cleanser, but not some. I like Kate Somerville very, very much. I do. So this is for sensitive skin. Okay, it is a cleansing moisturizer. Goat's milk moisturizer and cleanser. A gentle daily face wash that's formulated to cleanse and soothe without tightness or irritation. Okay, let me see what it looks like. So there it is. It does have a flip top. So I have that random unboxing coming. I can't wait to do the epic counters. I'm so excited. Oh my God. I don't know what's in them. I don't know. I didn't watch. I just bought them. I blindly bought them. Hubby bought me one. Do you want to know which one it is? Should I tell you which one he bought me, guys? I couldn't believe it. We were talking about advent calendar. I said, do you know what it is? And he was like, yeah, isn't that thing with the boxes, like for every day? And I was like, yeah. I was surprised that he knew. I said, well, beauty advent calendars have beauty, items. Could be whatever. It's supposed to be a surprise every day. And he's like, oh. So we were looking through them, and I'm like, Jesus, look at this one. I said, wait, I got to watch it. He was like, well, why would you want to watch it and spoil the surprise? And I was like, oh, you're right. So I didn't. I was like, all right, never mind. I said, but this is a nice one. I said, but never mind. There's no way. I said, well, let me see if it has Afterpay. And it didn't. I was like, no, never mind. So doesn't he come along behind me? He's very good at doing that. And he got it. He got it. I was dying. Guys. I was dying. Anyway, I don't know what's in it, and I won't watch. I have been so good. So good. Because he keeps saying, you better not. You better. And guess what else I got? Oh, I'm so excited. It's going to be behind me. You guys are going to see it. I got a really good deal because I can't say. But it's going to be good. Okay. So here, sorry, I digress. We have the Violet Voss. Now, this is the Violet Voss Violet Sunset. It's definitely not what I expected. Like when I open, no, it's definitely not what I expected. Let me see if I can't hold it up. So there you have it. Well, I'm sure you've seen it. I'm sure everyone's seen every one of these products. I mean, I'm glad it does have an outer corner. I like that peach color up there. I like this shadow right here. It's like a gold, but it's a peachy gold. It's not like a blinding, like money gold. Like, you know what I mean? And this is a very nice bronze color. I like when there's shades that match the like this. See the matte and then they got the shimmer? I like that. All right, so, I mean, I don't know. I have many, many Violet Voss palettes. Do I use them? Barely ever. Okay, there you have it. This is, where is it? This is $37. What? Okay, so there's that. I mean, I like the purple there. You know that. Okay, and the last but not least thing is, I know I've seen this before because I have one and I gave it away in one of the giveaway boxes. The LaRousse pads. Now, I got them because I traded somebody for them. Okay? Because I wanted them. I got them specifically to give away. I traded something that I had, you know, when I do my swapping. Which reminds me, Lori Groves. Yes, you are ready. You are up, girl. Anyway, all right. I probably already would have contacted you by the time you see this. Okay. So anyway, there you have, it's the LaRousse, LaRousse, I don't know how you say it really, LaRousse Beauty Face Disc. Wipe away your day with alternative, eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. Guys, I swear I found them in the Dollar Tree. And this really cool lip scrubby thing, and I didn't get it. I'm going back for it. Because with the Jeffree Star, and it looks, I don't know, it looks like a little tongue. It's very weird. But I know it's going to do a really good job because I love doing lip scrubs. Anyway, which I did not do one today, and I should have because my lips are very dry. Okay. Anyway, those are the, you know, we've seen these before. Ipsy. This is the brand that makes those really expensive brushes that I have like 3 sets of in my bins. All right. Yeah. So it wipe away your day, blah, 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 contributes to a safe and sustainable planet due to its reusability and washability. So you don't keep doing wipe after wipe and throw them away and they go in a landfill. Just wash these suckers and use them on your face over and over again. Okay. So $24. So not bad. They're $8 a pop. I found one for $1 that have 3 little ones. And they're very soft and they work very good. Just saying. I don't know how long they're going to last, but for $1, I don't much care. All right, so let's recap. We have the LaRousse discs for $24. We have the Goat's Milk Cleanser from Kate Somerville for $40. We have the Milk Toner from Glow Oasis for $34. And then we have the Violet, is that 5? Yeah. We have this for $30. It's the Violet Voss Sunset Palette for $37. And then we have the Trust Fund lip oil lip gloss for $18. So there you have it, guys. That is my Boxycharm base box for November. I'm very sorry it's late. I'm going to try and do better. This is so me, still dropping things. I'm never going to change like that. I'm always going to drop things. I just drop a lot more now because of the left hand thing. I am literally teaching myself how to write with my left hand and how to put makeup on with my left hand. Seriously. Because I have a lot of palettes coming that I ordered for like Black Friday. I kind of went a little crazy, like I said in my last video. But now I can sit there. Now my hand gets super tired really quick, very easy. So I can like put one shadow on and then I gotta wait. I can't continuously use it. No, not at all. Anyway, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being so patient with me. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me. I have the best community in the whole wide world. I really do. You guys are my family. Christmas is coming. I'm so excited. You know, even I think with the arm, I'm going to try and say my bestest ever positive I got a lot to do in a little short time because I'm going to be set up and I want to be ready to get better, you know? Anyway, until I see you in the next one, please remember, you know, if you're going through something like I am, talk about it. And that's what I've been doing, because I used to be the biggest stuffer in the world, thinking like, hey, if I don't talk about it, it's going to go away. And that never happened. Not once for me. It got super bad very quickly too, by the way. Wow. Please talk about it, share about it. If you don't know what's wrong, talking about it can sometimes bring that issue to light, and then you could tackle it or work through it, which is what this channel is all about. Working through things, staying as positive as possible while doing so. We got a lot of help in this community. We are 1,100 strong, 1,100 plus, that filled with wonderful people. You know, if you don't have anyone to talk to, hell, hit me up. So I'm going to have a lot of time. So, you know, please hit me up. And if you are asked to listen to somebody, please do that, because you could absolutely help them. And like I always say in every video, guys, in this crazy mixed up world, and it really is crazy, please stay safe. Till the next one. See ya. See what happens when you put glasses on? It's a glow aces. Shall we start that over?